Sometimes we don't even have the time to do the laces in our sneakers. We need something faster. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all really well. Today's video is all about comfort. When thinking about style, for me the first thing that comes to mind is comfort. I want to be well dressed but not uncomfortable. For me, comfort is the absolute key to feeling and looking stylish. And there's nothing worse than feeling uncomfortable in our outfits. That's why I wanted to dedicate today's video to classy outfit ideas that are also comfortable for everyday wear. We all know that when we need to go to a party or to a special event, it's not always that difficult to dress up. But on a daily basis, that's when it's difficult and hard to keep doing stylish outfits that are at the same time comfortable for a daily basis. I think this kind of videos might be helpful to kind of feel and serve as inspiration for you. So let's begin. On a daily basis, footwear is really important, either to go outside or either to stay at home. I usually have 1 or 2 pairs of shoes to wear at home. And Vivaia is a brand that I reach for this. I already have leopard print loafers, navy ballerinas, and now I'm incorporating some more designs. The first ones are these red loafers with embroidery. They are called the Red Loafers. These loafers are not only beautiful to stay at home, but also to wear outside. They will be the perfect complement for some outfits. I think these loafers are an injection of modernity to your outfits. They are red and have this animal print on top, 2 of this season's biggest fashion trends. And when I saw them on Vivaia's website, I thought this would look amazing with a pair of denim jeans. And that is what I did in this first outfit. When you have a statement piece in your outfit, like these loafers, you need to keep the rest of the outfit as simple as possible and let the shoes do the talking. So this outfit is the simplest and comfiest ever. A pair of denim jeans, a crisp button-up shirt and a bag, and you're ready. You can also wear a blazer or a jacket on top, depending on the weather. This is a very Parisian outfit. It's simple and sophisticated at the same time. And more importantly, very, very comfortable. Don't forget to embrace French women's style. Leave your hair a little undone. Wear just the necessary makeup and choose your accessories carefully. This next outfit was inspired by the colors of these new Red Loafers in grey and beige. I opted for a pair of grey denim jeans, a grey top and a dark beige suede jacket. The classic loafers get a funny side with this print. In my opinion, stylish, comfortable and perfect for every occasion. Both Vivaia's loafers are incredibly comfortable. You can wear them with no socks if you want. They're easy to put on and off. I'm very pleased with both of these pairs of loafers. Vivaia, which is an eco-conscious footwear brand that really encompasses the idea of comfort, always aligned with the latest fashion trends, has just released some new designs that I just love and that I will be incorporating into my wardrobe and wear on a daily basis. As I was in Vivaia's website, I also saw some boots that I thought I needed for this kind of countryside going on weekends. I've just found these boots perfect for that. So these are called the urban boots. It's kind of a sneaker boot sliders, and I opted for the khaki color. As I said, I needed a pair of shoes or boots that I could put on easily and quickly every time I need to do and to run some errands. Either pick my son or daughter, buy some last minute ingredients for dinner, you know, that kind of activities. Sometimes we don't even have the time to do the laces in our sneakers. We need something faster. And these Vivaia's boots are exactly what I needed. You can slide your foot inside without even have to bend yourself to adjust. It's that easy, making them the perfect pair of boots for everyone on the go. You can have the sneaker-like comfort, but with the boot-like style. For me, these boots are perfect for these last-minute errands, but also for any outdoor activity or countryside weekend. That's why I went for this outfit, composed of leggings, t-shirt, a jacket with a hoodie and my new boots. And last but not least, I also chose the Ryan Pro boots in the color Espresso. It's kind of a coffee brown. They are kind of a Chelsea boot, again incredibly comfortable. I didn't mention yet, but these boots are made in a water repellent material, which is perfect. They claim on the website that you can wear them on a rainy day and your feet won't feel wet. These boots have an elegant square toe and an elegant shaft height also. For me, they are a stylish addition to any wardrobe, as you'll never be caught unprepared on a rainy day, making them the ideal choice for your daily commute, shopping and other social events. So, if you are searching for really comfortable footwear, definitely check out Vivaia's website. Don't forget to use my discount code, it will be popping up in the screen and also in the description box below as always. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye!